qué mal, qué bien. Okay, so these are two, by the way. One is qué mal. This one is very common. Qué mal or qué bien. Okay, qué mal, qué bien. Qué mal, the first one. Oh my God, again, what is going on? Qué mal, the first one is similar to that sucks or that's too bad. Okay, you could use this phrase if you have something not pleasant going on, something that you dislike. And qué bien is the opposite. Qué bien is when something is going well. You know, when you got, maybe you got some good news. So qué bien, or someone is telling you something really good, you can say qué bien. Okay, if someone is telling you something bad, you can say qué mal, qué mal. And of course, qué bien means that's great or that's good. Okay, here it says that's great, that's good. And the other one, that sucks. I mean, I could underline it. That sucks or that's too bad. Okay. For example, mañana me voy de vacaciones. If someone, your friend, is telling you, mañana me voy de vacaciones, that means I'm going on vacation tomorrow. You can say, qué bien. That's great. Qué bien. Okay? If you don't like that for some reason, then you can say qué mal. Although I don't see, it doesn't make much sense that you would say qué mal. But if someone says, for example, I'm gonna change this to perdí mi billetera. Perdí mi billetera. I lost my wallet. If someone says that to you, perdí mi billetera. I lost my wallet. You can say, instead of qué bien, because if you say qué bien, that doesn't make any sense. You can say, qué mal. Qué mal. That sucks. Okay? That sucks. Qué mal. Okay? So this is interesting. Very interesting.